Your first job is a stepping stone in your career. However, the transition from academic studies to the corporate world can be very hard. The environment changes around you completely. There are many challenges that you face at the start of your corporate world. One of the biggest challenges is employability. Employability means how suitable you are technically and professionally at your job. The corporate world expects too many set of skills for the paycheck they offer. As per India's skills report of 2019, only 47% of Indian graduates are employable. What does that mean? It means that the rest of students are not prepared for their first job. And usually they are not able to cope up with the work pressure, and then they quickly try to change their job. In some worst case scenario, they are fired from their company itself. It's really good to have a niche in a particular skill set. Skill set such as attention to detail, analytical thinking, communication skills, etc. can help you face any kind of challenges. One of such skill set I want to emphasize on is MS Excel. MS Excel remains one of the most used software in corporate world. Having a pre-existing knowledge of the same will definitely give you edge over others. Though at some places on-job training is provided in MS Excel, but it takes continuous practice to develop your skill on the same. This is the mission of our channel Excelbook, which is to provide MS Excel training to all the students who are entering into the corporate world and to the existing employees to help them boost their knowledge on this software. From very basic to the advanced level, we have been providing Excel tutorial videos over our channel. So binge watch our tutorials to build your career, and if you like them, then do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.